Hello everyone. So first we are tying the hair in low ponytail and then separating the hair into four parts. After that taking two parts and making braid. Then the third and fourth part we are joining it with the braid and making this bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking our long hair and then we are just taking part. After that we are converting them into a bun and applying any accessories. Let's move ahead to our long hair. We are going to fold them and convert them into this type of ponytail and secure it with rubber band, then joining the parts and making the bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are tying low ponytail, converting it into three little ponytails with any rubber and then passing them through each other with the help of a tool, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are tying a low ponytail and then we are just losing some hair from the top, and you can see we are applying a ribbon to our ponytail and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making this back ponytail and then converting it into a beautiful braid. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this low ponytail, converting them into two parts. After that we are folding it out into this beautiful bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking a part of hair, separating them and making two braids out of them. After that folding the braid into the hair. After that you can see your beautiful hairstyle is done. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken a part of hair, securing it with rubber bands. After that we are taking our hair into four parts and then rolling it out into this bun. Let's move ahead. Here we've tied a low ponytail and then we are losing it and passing it through itself. After that we are just taking two stripes from that and folding it into this bun. Let's move ahead. Here we've tied a part of hair and then passing one part of hair through other, and you can see our beautiful bun is ready. Next we are converting the hair into two parts, tying it with rubber band and then making a braid, folding it together. Let's move ahead. Here we've tied a ponytail and passing it through itself, then rolling it out and securing it with a clip. Next we are taking some hair and making a braid, and to the rest of the untied hair we are joining it with our braid and making this beautiful hairstyle. Let's move ahead. Here we are tying a rubber at the end of hair and then folding them out into this type of hairstyle and converting them into a low bun. Now you can apply any accessories you want. Here we've applied a beautiful clip.